Mine?
I'm just dead with mine.
It's kind of fun. I can see myself totally doing this. I know, right?
Guys, it's Andrew, and today we're making, what are we making? Garlic brown sugar chicken. Here's the recipe. I got it from some random place online. Today we're making some chicken. So step one, you're gonna need this pan, which is the size of my face.
Walk around and see what other people are doing. Yeah. 34 degrees. Yeah, I watched it. I did it.
We should have some rice.
Yeah.
What did you try to make?
Oh, we made well, we kind of made chicken picante, but I kind of messed it up. So we made a sauce, then we threw the chicken in, then we threw some hot sauce. It's very good. Want to try some? Sure. Chicken. Just make it.
It tastes like chitlin, if I ever had chitlin.
No, I ain't never had chitlin before, but that's
Good. Don said it's good and it's
Good, because I don't eat nothing. So what y'all make?
we made some baked garlic parmesan wings.
Two hands.
Ain't they delicious chicken? If y'all seen on yesterday's vlog, that they cut up their chicken really well, and then they combined it. With the house? And which one are y'all making?
The honey garlic drumsticks.
How
But
much
the honey garlic sauce was nasty, so I made a honey mustard sauce.
How much time do you have left on the
We have about 11 minutes, but we're gonna leave it in for a little bit longer because I don't think 30 minutes cooks chicken all the way.
Cause it says 20 minutes on ours, but we really did about 30 to 35 minutes.
Yeah, because it says 20 to 25 additional minutes. I was like,
Yeah. You know, the famous dog.
oh my god, you should put it in your mouth. I probably cry.
This is photography. This is Lynette. She's valedictorian. But you know, we don't want to brag about that because she won't be valedictorian for long. Okay. Okay, so we're in the film loading room. This is film, in case you all don't know that. And then we're gonna put in this thing. And voila. And we're done. Okay. That's all I need to do.
Now we need to go take notes.
Oh, throw the scissors away.
Here's Andrew. What's up? You know, subscribe to my channel. You know,
Where's Alan?
already know. Post this on YouTube. Hey, post this on YouTube. Subscribe to me. You know, underscore Ricardo.
That's the
Underscore.
Hey, I'm the
Yeah. We're vlogging. We're vlogging. You know what's good?
No, this is Alan. Alan's TV.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a freaking fire hydrant. Hey, you recording? Follow me on. Shout out to my channel, Plasma Miss Gaming.
All the trainers.
Yeah, that's how we do it, right, Donnie? Right, Donnie?
Better cut it by outro. Hey, right here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my ASMR video. Today we're gonna be doing sleepiest noises.
What the heck? Wait, that's Lynette. Try her right there.
There you go. Wait. Give them a bit of time to follow me. You know. Alright guys, come on, let's go. Today we're gonna be doing some photography. We're gonna do a method called sandwiching. So today, I'm gonna show you how to do these steps from what I've learned from my teacher from life.
Lynette, what do you have to say about this?
See, this is a bad example of photography. You have to make photography fun. And that's what makes it, you want to do it. Right? So shout out to Miss Do.
Shout out to Ms. Du for helping us
and
giving us the knowledge for photography.
So finally, let's go learn. Let me go teach you these steps in the dark room. All right, guys. So we can't go in the back room with the
With the camera?
So I guess we're gonna do it out here.
So we're gonna develop film with Lynette today.
Oh yeah. Change the video.
So Lynette, what step are you in?
I'm a developer.
Alright, which one is that one?
The first one.
Oh, she's on the first step. She got a timer right there, but
You gotta count it, you know,
Yeah.
like for size.
You actually do my work unlike somebody.
I know, Oscar.
Yeah, like I know, right? Like I like how you're pointing out that Don, he doesn't do because like that's
Alan.
another bad example.
What did you say? Alan right there? He's a virgin.
You know, Lynette, she's not a virgin.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm just kidding. I don't know that.
Oh, think.
You think?
Yeah.
So it could have been someone else?
What?
I remember people used to say that in 5th grade. You think wrong.
Lynette, look at yourself.
Leave me alone.
Look at yourself.
Where did you pause it?
No one doesn't.
Whoa. Wait, let me be the photographer.
Alright, work.
Shout out to Lynette, you know. I'll plug your Snapchat in the link in the description. So, dude. Alright, let's look at this. Oh, you gotta plug it in. It won't focus. Sorry, miss. You can't be in the video.
You see them?
No. Oh, there it is.
Take these pictures.
There is the one that I'm gonna use from sandwiching. As you can tell, it's a really aesthetic photo, so I'm gonna use it.
Yeah, as you can tell, I'm the virgin right there.
Why'd you point at me? That's so weird.
Make a documentary about
developing film.
If you want, you actually have to wait.
So you got so far.
We're back with the ASMR. This time.
Oh, look for your storytelling. Why are you doing this to me? It's in for the vlog. You're gay.
We've been kidnapped. Please help us. Okay.
Okay, this is pro vlogger Johannes signing off.
So this is
Josiah?
Catherine.
Do you have your what?
Art club president.
She is the art club president, and also she is as tall as a chair. Compared to said chair,
You're taller when you're sitting down than when you're
she is taller when she's sitting down than when she's sitting up.
Not bad.
And so this is. Cat.
Oh no, please no. You didn't even
Yo.
You got a TI4?
Yeah, do the warm up first. Can you finish the warm up? Okay, thank you. Good job. Hey, this day. After class, come to me.
Do it for game.
I don't see your answer yet. Warm up. Thank you.